Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a speed test comparison of two smartphones below the 20k price segment. We have the Realme 2 Pro and the Vivo V9 Pro. The interesting thing about these two devices are both run on the Snapdragon 660 SoC, and we have two different customizable or rather customized UI on these two devices. We have the Color OS versus the Fun Touch OS, and both are powered by Android 8.1 Oreo. So in this video we'll see how good the performance is. We'll see the memory management of these two devices, and we'll see which all apps takes time on these two devices. So in the first round we'll open all the apps and see the total time taken. Then we'll open the apps from the background, and in the final round we'll open the apps side by side to see the performance. So let's get started. So in the first round you can see the Vivo V9 Pro has completed it in just 1 minute, and this is really impressive performance from, and you can see that the Realme 2 Pro has completed in 1 minute and 5 seconds. So just 5 seconds slower than the Fun Touch OS in terms of opening of apps. Now let's open the apps from the memory and see which is able to retain all the apps. So now you can see that in the memory management round, Vivo V9 Pro did it in just 31 seconds. That's really impressive performance, and you can also see that all the apps were retained in the memory and none of them reloaded. That's a pretty impressive memory management on the Vivo V9 Pro with the Fun Touch OS. So one of the issues with the Realme 2 Pro has been the memory management, which has not been really great, and here you're going to see that a few of the apps reloaded on the Realme 2 Pro, especially the games like Asphalt 8 and Temple Run 2 were reloaded on the Realme 2 Pro, taking the time to almost like 56 seconds. So a big difference between these two devices in terms of the memory management. So total time taken is 1 minute and 31 seconds on the Vivo V9 Pro, while it's 2 minutes and 2 seconds on the Realme 2 Pro. So even with the Snapdragon 660 chipset and both having two customized UI, we would still say that the Fun Touch OS is better in terms of memory management, and it's slightly faster than the Realme 2 Pro. So now let's open the app side by side to see the performance. So now we have cleared off all the apps from the background on both these devices. You can see that none of the apps are running. So now let's see the side by side speed test. So let's open Asphalt 8 first. So you can see that Vivo V9 Pro is faster here in opening Asphalt 8, and it's closely followed by the Realme 2 Pro. So now let's move on to the next one. So let's open Temple Run. Here again you can see that Vivo V9 Pro takes the lead, and that's the performance. Now let's go to Facebook. Here again Vivo V9 Pro is faster. Now let's go to Twitter. So again Vivo V9 Pro is faster here. Now let's move on to Flipkart. Almost same, but still Vivo has an edge here. Now moving on to Amazon. So here we could see that Realme 2 Pro was a tad faster. Now let's open settings. Both are quite similar. Let's go to File Manager. Again almost similar. Now let's open Maps. So here Realme 2 Pro was a tad faster. So Gmail again, Vivo was faster. So that is a speed test comparison of these two devices, and you can see that the Vivo V9 Pro emerged as a winner in most of the situations, and Vivo V9 Pro also has better memory management even though both the devices run on the Snapdragon 660 chipset. The ColorOS needs a bit more optimization when compared to the FunTouchOS on the Vivo V9 Pro. So that is a speed test comparison of the Vivo V9 Pro with the Realme 2 Pro. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.